During Pride Month, an employee requests to display a small rainbow flag at their desk for religious accommodation. They belong to an affirming church. HR denies it to stay neutral. Another employee then requests to display religious scripture quotes. HR approves the scripture, but not the flag. And where employers are going to get in trouble is because an employee who has their request denied and their lawyer are going to see this clear as day, and they're going to say, well, obviously it's because you do not support the LGBTQ community. You either have something against this person because of their sexual orientation, their gender identity, or because of their religion as it applies here. But then the person who put up religious scripture quotes gets to have their stuff on their desk the way that they wanted to. You're walking into a legal minefield here. The easiest solution, and one that many employers take advantage of, is that generally speaking, you are allowed to have neutral policies. Right? You can have a policy that says no real decoration at your desks, or, you don't wear anything, with a message on a shirt if there's no company uniform, stuff like that. The difference is in the actual differential treatment. Why is it that you are allowing some things but not others? And here, you're almost certainly going to get in trouble on this basis. This may not be a giant case, depending on what actually happened to these employees. If we're really just talking about the accommodations being denied, that this person cannot put their pride flag at their desk, but that they otherwise still have their job, haven't really suffered any harassment at work, anything like that. It's just a quick, no, you can't approve this. There may still be a legal case there. Luckily for you, it may not be too expensive because nothing, quote unquote, really bad has happened to the employee, but there's still a decent chance of getting hit with a judgment here at the end of the day. And more realistically, paying out a settlement in a couple of months because you don't want to go through the legal process. But this is a scenario where you probably did something wrong by approving one, denying the other. And why put yourself in that position in the first place if neither of these things is even that big of a deal?